Okay, now we're ready for part 2 of Bob's Golden Rays of Sunshine. Just can't forget my apron, but not as important, but let's do this. So, we're gonna start with a very small amount of phthalo blue. Like I just touched it and made the little. So I'm just putting, right now, you can see I'm just kind of mixing it into my brush.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's deciding where it is. So now we're just giving it a cast of blue. You might not have enough, but it's way better to have too little than too much. Oh, I don't have my brakes on. Makes it a little bit more difficult. And we're going down right around halfway down, past everything, and you don't have to worry about screwing anything up.
Going to the tops of some of the foliage, right?
Yeah. Below the tree line.
It's way lighter than last time.
Oh, yeah. You can always add more. And just go down to where you think the green should stop.
It's a nice blue, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice blue.
It just gives the cast, the illusion. It's not screaming at you.
And then the Prussian blue in the corners.
Okay,
right?
yeah, I'm just gonna do a very, very slight bit of Prussian. Just, I got it more on the corner of my brush.
bit. Corners and down the sides.
Yeah. So do you think that is blue enough?
I think so. You?
Well, I'm just looking at last year's picture right there.
It's very dark, but we're
Yeah,
going
and
lighter.
last year's was very dark. Do you think it should be more blue? Like, I'm looking at yours and seeing how,
Quite light.
yeah, it's quite light.
You think I need a little more of the phthalo?
I'm thinking so.
Just a pea bit.
And here's crushing, so I think we're gonna need a little bit more of that. Because my corners are not darker at all.
Where's the phthalo go?
It's a little one.
I think that one. No, that's ultramarine. That might be it. Ultramarine.
Yeah, it's a little one if you see any in there. But while you're looking, I'm just gonna grab a bit more of this Prussian. You see how dark that is now.
Ah, found it. Okay. There's the phthalo. There should be plenty. Plenty.
Oh yeah, well this is bluing up very nice.
I probably took too much out.
All the canvases are pretty large.
What is it? 18 by
18 by 24. So I'm making sure to get some of this blue down here.
Yeah.
So it'll turn green. Okay, now it's
It's a break time?
good old brush washing time.
Oh, okay.
Good old brush washing time.
I think that's better. Oofda. Another tray?
Funnest part of this technique.
What's this? Teacher.
These are good now. So right into Indian yellow.
Yeah.
I see how much I have on my brush.
Just one side?
Well, it's not one side, one
One. Those.
a couple swipes like that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna have the side that I have upwards, just like in that video, that girl. So let's go to the side and decide where you want your red to live. Don't, or your yellow to live, but don't go into too much of the blue yet. So you want this to be true yellow for a while. And just going up some of the trees and then going down all around. Yeah, we're having fun coloring.
more yellow up?
Well,
What do you think? I don't know. Maybe?
I'll see what we can get with that mixture I just did. A little blue and a big yellow spot. Now we're gonna go into a bit of this brown we got.
And that's the foreground. Sorry. Maybe I didn't put enough of that out.
Oh, I think we're getting a good cast of colors out. So now instead of washing the brushes, use some of this to wipe it off good, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. Yeah. Instead of washing the brushes, just gonna use this paper or this shop towel and paint on there and try and get all the loose paint off.